puts her arms around the world. 21st century mind, 21st century girl. She's got it. Ooh, baby, she's got it. She's got it. Ooh, baby, she's got it. I'm your Venus, I'm your fire, your desire. She's got nothing to hide. Flies her colors in the sun. Beautiful on every side. Shines a light for everyone. She's got it. Ooh, baby, she's got it. She's got it. Ooh, baby, she's got it. She's got it. Ooh, baby, she's got it. I'm your Venus, I'm your fire, your desire. I'm your Venus, I'm your fire, your desire.
My name's Leah Siegel, and I sang the vocals on the new Venus song. Venus wanted to rewrite She's Got It, the song they've been using for years. The writing suggests really an entirely different message about not being limited, not being boxed in, not being labeled. It brings a whole new depth to the track. I think it's a great reboot, I really do.